to have you at the Pakistan Stock Exchange trading floor. I haven't been too engaged and involved, one of the exceptional Pakistanis into cricket, but I know from leadership down to all the sports players, or cricket players to be specific, I know every citizen of Pakistan is proud of your performances. And it's indeed a great honor for all of us at the Stock Exchange to have somebody who is an accomplished cricketer to actually visit this platform, but also to steer it going forward. And I think for us, using our platform of Pakistan Stock Exchange based on your skills would be great marketing, if nothing else. Me and Forough, I have been on the board for a few months now, but we always try to strategize as to how do we expand the investor base, as well as try to get people to actually raise money from this very prestigious platform. Some of us have been engaged in the reforms of Pakistan Stock Exchange, and I would be amiss if I did not recognize Arif Habib Saab. He and I have had long innings on the capital market. That's the only thing I can relate to cricket. I have to say that your leadership, and hope that this is not the first and the last visit you have, that you come back to raise money on this platform. And with you, you bring in all the investors who are your compatriot, your colleagues who play cricket, to actually open an account. We'd be happy to support you in opening online accounts. Forough can arrange that very simply, because we are looking for both investors as well as people who are interested in raising money. I personally think this is much better than going to the banks. I mean, of course, you need to deal with banks for your day-to-day transactions, but in terms of raising equity and debt market, this is a great platform. I am very proud that, I mean, I haven't attended any of the gong ceremonies since I became the chair, but when Forough told me that you were going to be here for gong ceremony, I came out here, so you can imagine how passionate I am without having a great understanding of the cricket. But like every Pakistani, we sit there in our drawing rooms and bedrooms and clap when you make this, when you get the sixes, or when you are able to bowl down somebody. So thank you for being here, and look forward to your engagement on this platform. And Forough, keep on bring more sports people, because we'll all be energized. We are hoping at some point we could have a cricket ground closer to our, and you could come and teach me how to play cricket. The only honor I've had on the cricket front, and my modest achievement, is that when I was State Bank Governor, I tried to get a very organized team to play and try to support them in different ways, and you know what support is needed on that front. So thank you once again.